Good morning, welcome to IndianShareTips.com. And today is 16th June, being Wednesday. You have to be careful as Wednesdays are volatile. A day prior to the expiry, you have to maintain caution. So, a major event which is likely to happen overseas is the Fed meeting at 11:30 p.m. tonight, which will determine the course of the action for the markets. We expect that Fed is likely to maintain a status quo on the interest rates. However, we will suggest that they should start giving an indication or should increase the interest rates gradually so that the news does not shock the world markets and they fall in a big way. If they move slowly, we can see the markets consolidating and they will start accepting the fact that interest rates are going to go up. As of now in Nifty, we are seeing that it will be opening with the negative note and we are seeing a consolidation. Immediate support in Nifty is placed at 15,700 mark and resistance exists at 16,000 mark, and we are overall bullish and looking at Nifty 16,000 mark to be happening in short while. Only HDFC Bank has to perform and Nifty will be touching 16,000 mark. A few stocks on which you can keep an eye is Cint, then Abbott, HDFC Life and Intellect Design. These stocks are showing good pattern and we can see a breakout in it. We are seeing good moves in IT sector, but you have to be cautious in that because overseas IT sector money is moving to other sectors because of the opening of the economy, and same is also likely to happen in India, but maybe some time is there. However, do not blindly invest in IT sector as of now because then you will be against the global trends. Okay gentlemen, if you like our short review, then we will request you to subscribe to the channel and do remember to visit us for our best Bank Nifty option tips or stock tips or commodity tips. We will leave the URLs in the description box. Thank you.